everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. This is very delicious, very tasty. Chicken Marsala. Please try it. Get one chicken breast. Look at this. Very delicious. All those delicious mushrooms and delicious gravy. How to make it such a delicious, tasty chicken marsala recipe? Let me show you. This is my version of chicken marsala. The chicken breast I'm using, these are frozen. And this is what I do. These are big chicken breasts. If you see, these are frozen. I'll use 2 chicken breasts and I'll show you how to make it delicious chicken marsala. This is what I did. I put it in cold water and now there is no more ice. I let it sit for 10 minutes, then I change the water one more time. Once there is no more ice, I'll take the chicken breast out. "10-ounce mushroom. These are white mushroom I cut into small thin slices. 2 cup chicken broth, spices from masala dabba, olive oil, 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic and unsalted butter. As you can see, the chicken breasts, they are pretty big. If you have a thin chicken breast, you can use as is. Since we have so thick chicken breast, I'm going to cut right in the middle. So put your hand right here and just slice through. Just like this. So now we have 2 chicken breasts. So same thing, cut right in the middle. Just like this. I'll place the chicken breast right on top of the cutting board. Just like this. As you know, the chicken breasts, they were frozen. We put it in water, so this one has a lot of water. So we're going to get a paper towel, soak up the extra water. If you're using a fresh chicken breast, then you skip this part. Since these are frozen, this is what we need to do. Salt, you always use to taste, and small amount of black pepper. Turn it over. Salt and black pepper on this side as well. Now we're going to do the coating for the chicken breast. It's a half cup all-purpose flour, salt and black pepper. Mix it. Start burner. Get a karahi, add olive oil. Once the oil starts to heat up, add garlic and ginger. Mix it. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. Mix it. and keep cooking until they are nicely translucent. Onions got nicely translucent. Add mushroom. Bring your gas to medium and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Start burner. Fry pan. Add olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, bring your gas to medium. This is what we need to know. Get a chicken breast and do the good coating. Once it's nicely coated, lay out the chicken breast and keep your gas on medium. Grab the second chicken breast, place it, do the nice coating. Once it's nicely coated, shake the extra flour and place it right in the fry pan. And now we're going to cook it really well. On medium gas, cooking mushroom for 5 minutes with the cover lid. Mix it. Mushrooms are fully cooked, they are nice and tender. Add salt to taste and black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder and garam masala. All the spices I added, they are 1/4 teaspoon each. When you are making chicken marsala, you can skip the garam masala. But if you add garam masala, that brings its own taste. The mushroom is fully done. Mushroom is fully cooked and we're cooking the chicken breast. So we're going to check. This is the texture we need. So we're going to flip it over. This is beautiful texture. Cook it on medium gas. Add butter. We always used to making a chicken marsala with the cream, marsala wine, but this is my version of making a chicken marsala. And I'm going to show you, it's going to be very tasty and very delicious. So as you see, we cook chicken breast on one side and then we turn it over. We added some butter. Once we'll check it, it has the same texture what we have on this side. Then we're going to bring the mushroom. and today I will show you the most tasty and delicious way of making a chicken marsala. We cooked on a medium gas. Now bring your gas to medium low and we're going to cover with the lid. Let it cook for 5 minutes so that chicken breast will cook fully from inside and it's going to be tender. Cooking with the covered lid for 5 minutes on medium low gas. I'll open it. Nicely cooked. Now we're going to transport the mushroom. Now bring your gas to medium, add chicken broth. It's a 2 cup, I'll add 1 cup. And then I'll share with you the most important secret. You see we did the coating with the chicken breast. This is the leftover all-purpose flour. I'll add a teaspoon. Now we're going to mix it well. Try this and you're going to love it. You can use a cream or whatever you like to use, but if you try my way, you're going to love it. This is going to help to thicken the gravy. After mixing it really well, there is no lumps. That's really important. And as you can see, the chicken broth is nicely bubbling. We'll add chicken broth along with my secret. Now bring your gas to simmer. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Cooking for 10 minutes with the covered lid. I'll open it. Look at the gravy. Very creamy gravy. Very creamy and rich gravy. Without any cream or any Marsala wine. Now, the last ingredient. Add fresh parsley. Mix it. The dish is all ready and now we're going to dish out. Very tasty and delicious chicken marsala. No cream, no Marsala wine. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. Get 1 chicken breast. Look at this. Very delicious. All those delicious mushrooms. This is very juicy chicken breast and mushroom. So good. Please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you.